So, sharing a very handy, natural, and very native fixed expression for this, everyone, that goes, that's just as well, or more casually, just as well. Let's check out 10 sentences. The first one, लो कर लो बात, मूवी कैंसिल हो गई. अच्छा ही हुआ, वैसे भी मुझे तबीयत थोड़ी ढीली सी ही लग रही थी. Well, would you look at that? The movie got cancelled. That's just as well. I was feeling a bit under the weather anyway. Second one, मैं क्या बताती, उसने वापस फ़ोन ही नहीं किया. ठीक ही है, मुझे भी उस बात से दूर ही रहना था. What could I even tell you? He never called back. Just as well. I wanted to steer clear of that conversation anyway. थर्ड वन, सब तैयार नहीं हुए तो प्लान रह गया. अच्छा ही हुआ, मुझे घर पे वैसे ही कुछ काम निपटाने थे. Not everyone was up for it, or not everyone was game, so the plan fell through or got dropped. That's just as well. I had a few things to wrap up at home anyway. फोर्थ वन, स्ट्राइक के चलते मीटिंग को आगे कर दिया है. अच्छा ही हुआ, थोड़ा चैन लेने का वक्त मिल गया. The meeting's been pushed back, what with the strike going on. That's just as well. It gave me some breathing room. फिफ्थ वन, पार्टी मिस हो गई, पर चलो ठीक ही है, वहाँ सिर्फ ऊपर ऊपर की बातें ही होनी थी. I missed the party. That's just as well. It would have been nothing but small talk anyway. सिक्स्थ वन, ट्रेन लेट हो गई. चलो अच्छा ही हुआ, एक चाय पीने का टाइम मिल गया. The train got delayed. Just as well. I got time to grab a cup of tea. सेवन्थ वन, पता है क्या, डील टूट गई. चलो अच्छा ही हुआ, वैसे भी मुझे शुरुआत से ही कुछ मज़ा सा नहीं आ रहा था. You know what? The deal fell through. Just as well. I didn't get the vibe from the start, or something felt off from the start. एट्थ, उसने इनविटेशन तक नहीं भेजा. खैर अच्छा ही हुआ, मुझे ऑनेस्टली थोड़ा आराम करके फ्रेश होने की ज़रूरत थी. He didn't even send an invite. Just as well. I honestly needed to recharge anyway. नाइन्थ वन, कॉल कट गई, पर चलो अच्छा ही हुआ, बात वैसे भी कहीं जा ही नहीं रही थी. The call dropped. That's just as well. The conversation wasn't going anywhere anyway. And the 10th one, ट्रिप कैंसिल हो गई. चलो अच्छा ही हुआ, जेब वैसे भी टाइट ही चल रही थी. The trip got cancelled. Just as well. Money was tight anyway.